the final paper bag, sharp bottom and with sticker. Let's see how did it made. Time will back to 1 minute ago. This is a specially designed sticker dispensing device. It helped us apply the sticker strips to each paper bag. Each sticker is precisely set to the mouth opening position. Let's look at it from the other side. How exactly is the sticker placed on the bag? We have installed high-precision sensors on the machine. It can accurately detect the length of each bag. Meanwhile, feeding speed of the material is controlled by the servo motor. Only such perfect cooperation can produce perfect paper bags. Paper bags with stickers are suitable for packaging all kinds of bread, medicines, and small items. Compared with open-mouth paper bags, it is safer and more hygienic. We are eDynamic Complete Equipment, your private packaging solution expert.